Deep breaths in and a nice stretch. Mouth breathing, breathe fully in 3, 2, 1. In, stomach, chest. Out. Fully in, out. No pause. In, stomach, chest. Fully out. Chest, stomach. In, out. In, out. Keep the rhythm going. Give it all you got. Deep connected breaths, and as you breathe, relax. Double pace. Breathe fully. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Breathe fully. Stay relaxed. This powerful breathing reveals what's inside. In, out, in, out, in, out. Breathe fully. Stay relaxed. Stay aware. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Breathe fully. Stay relaxed. Take one last full deep breath in, the biggest one you got. Release in 3, 2, 1. Let the air out gently and let it settle. No breathing for 1 minute. Relax and enjoy. When you feel the urge to breathe, explore staying just a bit longer, or take a small sip of air and carry on. You're gently expanding your comfort zone. We are building resilience through repetition and learning to enjoy breathwork more as we go. Scan your body, let go of any tension, rest, observe, just be. Relax into the feeling. Almost there. Here comes the recovery breath. In 3, 2, 1. Deep breath in through your nose. Hold and give your body a nice stretch. Gently tense your pelvic floor. We will release the air slowly with the mantra Aum in a long tone in 3, 2, 1. Return to a natural breath now and enjoy the new state we've created.